The South Korean president directly addressed the country's long-lasting demographic sticking point, the lowest birth rate in the world, which threatens the country's future productivity. Our Oh Soo-young reports.
Overcoming South Korea's demographic challenges requires social trust through long-term, not short-term policies, according to President Yoon Suk Yeol. The South Korean leader on Tuesday opened the first meeting under his administration of the Presidential Committee on Aging Society and Population Policy.
It was the first time in 7 years that the nation's leader personally presided over the committee meeting. This underscored the severe demographic challenges that past government plans and an accumulated budget of $215 billion have failed to resolve over the past 15 years.
Pointing out that the low birth rate problem is rooted in social issues such as public benefits, education, jobs, housing and taxation, as well as employment conditions for women. Yoon suggested that past efforts to promote child-rearing largely failed due to short-sighted measures and policy blind spots. He showed concern that many workers at small and medium-sized businesses and workers who don't have permanent contracts find it difficult to enjoy existing parental leave and childcare policies.
우리 사회가 보다 더 행복을 키워주는 문화, 또 열심히 하면 잘 살 수 있는 문화로 많이 바뀌어야 됩니다. 지나치게 과도하고 불필요한 경쟁에 휘말리는 그런 문화가 고쳐지지 않는 한 저출산 문제도 근본적인 답을 내놓기는 쉽지 않다고 봅니다.
According to Statistics Korea, South Korea's fertility rate fell to a record low of 0.78 child born per woman as of 2022. The figure also marks the lowest birth rate among 38 OECD countries. The country's percentage of people aged 65 and older is expected to hit 20.6 in 2025, transitioning into a super-aged society, which casts uncertainty over the country's productivity and workforce in the decades to come. The Population Committee plans to pursue 5 focus areas to help raise the flailing birth rate, which include expanding quality childcare services and policies to help working parents look after their children. It will also focus on housing and financial support, welfare and tax benefits, along with healthcare services. Calling for a full review of current policies aimed at promoting a higher birth rate, President Yoon says stronger measures and intensive investment are needed to build up trust in state support for childcare, and to ensure that the joy of raising children and self-actualization can both be fulfilled. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.